Hi. Welcome to PDF.co. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to upload new box files to PDF.co using Integromat. Let's start. We're going to use this sample PDF that was uploaded in Box for this tutorial. Let's now create our Integromat scenario. Now, we're going to create a Box module. Search and select Box from the list of apps and set the trigger to Watch Files. Then, choose the folder where the file is located. Under Watch, select New File and All Changes. Then press OK. Let's proceed with the second module. Search and select PDF.co from the list of apps. Then, select Add Text and Images to a PDF. For the input file, choose Upload a File. For the source file, select Box. Under Images, click Add Item. This will open a new window where you can put the link to your image and set the coordinates where you'll place the image. You may also set the size of your image. For the final module, search and select Box from the list of apps and select Upload a File. Let's proceed with setting up the Box module. Under Folder, choose the folder where you want to upload the file. For the source file, select PDF.co. Then, click OK. Once you're done setting up the modules, you may now run the scenario. After running the scenario successfully, you may now check the output PDF inside your Box folder that you selected to upload the file. That's it for this tutorial. We have a lot of tutorials that you can check on our YouTube channel or on our website. Thanks for watching.